Next we'll quickly change the particle color so it's not yellow, and we'll switch the color to white, so every particle that's emitted from the surface will be colored white upon birth, and it'll retain that color over its whole life unless we dictate otherwise. And I'm also going to increase the number of particles. To get the effect of cigarette smoke, we're going to have a much denser particle rate. So I'll give myself maybe 2,500 particles per second. In the end, I'm going to have to shade the particles using alpha channels, so I'm going to actually want the shape type to be something that can overlap. And unless I use a lot of points, the chances of a lot of these points overlapping is very rare and slim. So I'm going to set the shape to something that's got a volume to it, and I'll use the sphere, and I'll just increase the size of these points. Well, actually, let me see how large the scale of the scene is. I'll set a larger end frame and press play. Move on back here. So I'm getting quite a large stream. I'm going to size it down a little bit. So I'm going to find my average size. So it looks like the particles are going to have to be pretty small. There we go. So I'm starting to find 0.024. Looks like about the smallest I'm going to get. I have a very fine particle stream here. Alright, so I'll use that as my value. And now what I'll start to do is create a random wave-like turbulence pattern through their movement.